Ready? Here is the strap, and here is this kind of elastic band. Here's how it works. Thread it through once. Thread it through twice. Now, with enhanced precision and ease, you can meticulously adjust the length of the component to securely fasten it, ensuring a perfectly snug and reliable fit. The end. Thread it through one more time right here. This way, it absolutely won't go anywhere at all, so you really don't even have to use it. Or quite simply, you can just leave it as is. You will need to pull it very tight from this particular angle and then just simply tie it securely in place. The strap. This is for photo shoots, so when you need to make it tight, you put on this elastic band the way you need it. I recommend using bobby pins here so the elastic band doesn't slip, to secure it additionally to the hair. And then, additionally, we also utilize the ribbon. So in this particular way, it now fits much more securely and comfortably, ensuring a very snug and perfect fit. Or here's another excellent option for you. You can simply put the elastic band on and it will provide a secure and comfortable fit. From underneath, it turns out to be extremely tight, of course, as you might expect. And you also secure the ribbons here. First of all, you need to adjust it. Right now it's too tight, so you'll need to loosen it a bit, but overall you can wear it to the side. If you don't need these ribbons, you can either cut them off or use them for some extra decorative embellishment. There's this kind of inherent beauty. Yes, I would also, of course, definitely use bobby pins. I meticulously secured it here because the hair is a bit slippery and tends to resist staying in place easily. If you make sudden movements, it might slip off. But overall, you can arrange it here however you like, wider, bigger. That's it, I'm packing it up and sending it to you.